Morning, everybody. Jeff from Musbucket Valley Garage. We're in a rear workshop today, and we're going to tell you about a little project that we did, and it turned out okay. Okay, it is not the easiest thing that we've ever done in our entire lives. This is a headlight that is very expensive. Secondary market, you will pay about $1,500 for this. Um, Primary market from the dealership, you will pay about $2,375. Okay. It's off a luxury car. What had happened was this was involved in an impact. This is the lens that is on it. This was all broke and all this kind of stuff. So, so sometimes, if the customer has the financial ability, we would estimate this to take and just go ahead and replace a whole assembly. Okay. However, as an experiment, we went on to YouTube and we saw, is there a procedure there to take and just replace the lens? Because reckoning the rest of the mechanism was okay. Um, we found a distributor that has these replacement lenses, and they're actually pretty good quality. So the lenses are about 65 bucks. So we wanted to do an experiment, and we wanted to take and see on a YouTube video. The guy makes it look really easy. Okay, our experience was not the same. It is a very laborious process. If you want an excellent way to pull your hair out and get really frustrated, I highly recommend this project. Um, since this was, this was, excuse me, um, this was all broken, and so what we had to do is they use in the YouTube video, they use a tool from Harbor Freight. It's kind of a vibratory cutter to cut all the way around here, as close as they can to where the seam is. And this is a seam right here. Okay, all the way around, and they remove what's left of the lens. Um, this reflector assembly that you see in here is actually bolted to various points on the lens. So when you take that off, that has to come off. There is also a connector on the bottom that there is an LED light illuminator for the stripe that is on here. So you have to take careful that you don't break that. So anyway, what we did is we took a 100-watt soldering iron, and we cut all the way around here, all the way around, and we cut around the areas that are attached to the reflector. So as a matter of fact, there's one from right here. So you can see there's a screw in there. Then as soon as we got that off, then we used our industrial hair dryer, our big heat gun, to take and heat this area in small sections and go ahead and take the edge that was left out of this channel right here all the way around. Okay, and we got that out. So that didn't really seem to be too much of a problem. It just takes a long time to do it. Okay, and then we needed to take and clear this channel out because we needed to put new adhesive in there. What we did is we took a mortising chisel that we'd gone in and we modified just for the width of that. and sharpened it up real good. And then we used the heat gun on that, and that seemed to take and work pretty well. So once we went ahead and we got that channel cleared out, we wiped it down and everything, we took it over to the other shop because we don't have air back here, we took and blew everything out, all the particulate matter that was generated with the removal process, and then we did a test fit of our new lens onto the carcass here, and seemed to fit pretty well. So then we put the reflector assembly. We screwed that into the back of the new glass assembly here, and then we did another test fit. Then what we did is we took windshield adhesive and we put it all the way around in our track, all the way around. And then we went ahead, we took the lens and we put some small clamps on the ends, to take it, hold the lens in place. And the windshield adhesive dries in about 2.5 hours. And then we came back with another bead on the outside to make sure that these are sealed. The thing about having them sealed is that with the changing weather here in Los Angeles, what happens is sometimes these things frost up. They get condensation in them, and then it corrodes all the inside works and everything. So you want to make sure that these things are sealed really well. Okay, and then so once we had and did that, we let it take and dry overnight. So it's been resting all night. We have 2 trim pieces, this one here and this one here. This is kind of a rubber thing. This is actually a buffer between the headlight and the fender. And this one right here, the vinyl bumper goes into there. You can line that up and hold it compliant underneath the headlight. Okay, both those things just snap on. So if you want to try this project, you can look at the YouTube videos, how to do it. Our experience, it is a lot of doggone work, I'll tell you. So if you feel like you want to torture yourself, and your customer does not have the resources to buy another one, go ahead and give it a try. We seem to get a satisfactory result out of this. So we're going to be putting the car back together this morning. So I wish you the best of luck in your project, and I really do think that you're going to need it. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. I mean, at this point right here, once you get to this point, yes, the rest of your day will be good. Okay? Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for coming by. We appreciate y'all. Hope you have a great day.